Welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing some friend mail. A little backstory on this. I sent my friend Laura from FoodMakeupSkin some Polish snacks because I know that she does a lot of mukbangs and stuff like that, so I wanted to give her something a little different. And I myself am not Polish, but I did marry into a Polish family, which is where I get my last name. It's pronounced Śląska. If you want to know a little bit about the cultural differences between Poland and America, just leave me the questions below. Nothing too personal, because I am not going to answer anything that is really nobody's business but my own. But if you want to know some of the things that I've learned and you're curious about the differences, I am more than happy and more than willing to answer those questions. So Laura did send me something in return. I did not ask for it. She did that on her own free will because she is just a really sweet and kind and generous person. So we are going to see. I've already unboxed it because it came in 3 different packages. 3, 4, and it just had my name on it. I wouldn't have known it. She sent it unless she told me, so I did unbox it because that's that. But I'm going to show you what she sent me, and I think she did a marvelous job in picking out some stuff for me. So the first thing she sent me is this right here. This is beetroot powder, and it says this is a delicious, nutritious way to get additional fundamental nutrients your body needs. Beetroot is just that, pure raw beetroot powder, developed to help you exercise longer, think clearer, and live better by delivering more oxygen to your blood and muscles to optimize your daily performance. So I've gotten this before, and it says to use a half tablespoon every day in water, juice, or smoothie, or add to your favorite almond milk or coconut milk. Now, I have never actually used it that way, but I have gotten it before. The reason I got it before is a few years ago, I was experimenting with making my own natural makeup. Most of it did not go as planned, but beetroot works really great in balms. Like if you're gonna make yourself a lip balm, a little bit of this will help give it some color. I tried using it as a blush and stuff. It works okay, but it doesn't wear like the stuff you'd buy, so I'd still buy it. But anyways, I am going to try it this way. If you guys want me to review it after I have used this for some time, I am more than happy to do it. Just let me know. And the next thing she sent me was this right here. This is Hydrant Immunity Lemon Ginger. Let me see that. Okay, it says this balanced electrolyte boost with vitamin C, zinc, and ginger. No artificial sweeteners or stevia. And I'm happy about this because I think it was about 6, 7, no, it's got to be at least 8 years now. I had a gastric sleeve done, and in doing so, I do not absorb certain nutrients as well as keep my water retention quite the same way. So the electrolytes really helps me stay more hydrated and keeps me from being dehydrated, which does happen real easily. So this was a really good call. Excited about that. And then she sent me this right here, Collagen Day Cream by Insta Natural. Is that right there? And I am really big into collagen. I actually take collagen supplements daily, and you know, as it says here, okay, so this actually has Detox Skin, I'm not sure what that is, vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, and argan oil. Those are all things that I'm really big into, and it's supposed to firm and tighten the appearance of wrinkles And the whole reason I take collagen is it helps keep my skin plump and youthful looking. So that was another score as far as I'm concerned. Laura, you've done amazing. And the last thing she sent me is this right here. This is, got something blue on it. Anyways, this is O Green's Skincare Shampoo and Conditioner Set with Argan Oil. I am going to go ahead and open that so we can see what the bottles look like. Okay, so this is what the bottles look like. Really like their packaging and labeling. These are pretty hefty weighted too. And it says they are both sulfate, paraben, and cruelty free, which is another bonus. And then down here on the box it says, how would you like beautiful, softer, and more shiny hair like never before? Our combination box of argan infused shampoo and conditioner will give your hair that you never thought possible. Watch as your hair is transformed from dull and lifeless to shiny and soft. You will see a difference quickly, and you'll have hair that you never thought you'd have. Go to work with confidence, knowing your hair looks beautiful. Okay, so I usually buy like the little bottles of argan oil to tame my frizzies. I use that more than anything else because typically when you buy the argan oil bottles, they're probably about that size, but it's not really meant for wavy hair. I mean, it is, but it isn't. It's really meant for more really tightly curly hair, but I do use like not half a dime size amount of it, and I just put it in my hair towards the ends, and it tames my frizzies and makes my hair look shiny and pretty. So the idea of shampoo and conditioner with it in it, I am super excited about. So Laura, you did an amazing job. I am very excited to try all of this out, and I will let you know what I think. If you liked this video, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up. If you like more content like this, please don't forget to subscribe. Otherwise, I'll see you in my next video.